Your Excellency, Premier Lee, ladies and gentlemen of the media, I am delighted to be in Beijing once again at the invitation of Premier Lee. I am touched by the warm welcome and the generous hospitality of the government and the people of China. I recall to Premier Lee how much India appreciated his decision to make India his first overseas destination after taking over as Premier. This year, I have had the privilege of meeting President Xi Jinping and Premier Lee on a number of occasions on the margin of multilateral meetings, and I am delighted to have another opportunity of meeting them again during this visit.
李总理阁下，在媒体的各位女士和先生们，我很高兴应李总理的邀请来到北京。中国政府和人民的热烈欢迎和热情款待感动了我。我向李总理重申了印度非常赞赏他首次出访首战选印度的决定。今年我很荣幸有机会在多边场合多次跟习近平主席和李总理见面，我很高兴再次有机会本次访问期间跟他们见面。
Premier Lee and I have just concluded a very productive round of talks, and we have reached a number of important understandings.
李总理和我刚刚结束富有成效的讨论，一起达成了广泛重要共识。
First and foremost, we agreed that the prosperity and progress of 2.5 billion Indian and Chinese people would be a major factor of Asian resurgence and global prosperity and stability. As leaders of large re-emerging nations pursuing socio-economic progress in a rapidly changing and uncertain global environment, we have resolved to realize the full promise of our partnership and maintain the friendliest of relations. This will be our strategic vision.
首先，我们同意印中两国25亿人口的繁荣和进步是亚洲振兴全球繁荣与稳定的主要因素。作为重新新兴大国的领导，以及在快速变化和不肯定性全球环境里寻求社会经济发展，我们下了决心实现我们伙伴关系的全面潜力，一起保持最友好的双边关系，这会是我们的战略展望。
Premier Lee and I have agreed that peace and tranquility on our borders must remain the foundation for growth in the India-China relationship. Even as we move forward, the negotiations toward a fair, reasonable and mutually acceptable settlement to the India-China boundary question. This will be our strategic benchmark.
其次，我们同意边境地区的和平与安宁是印中关系发展的基础。同时，我们推动寻找印中边界问题的公平合理和双方都接受的解决方案的谈判，这会是我们的战略基准。
Third, we agreed that as large neighbors following independent foreign policies, the relationships pursued by India and China with other countries must not become a source of concern for each other. This will be our strategic reassurance.
在此，我们同意作为奉行独立外交政策的大邻国，各自的跟其他国家的关系不应该变成关切的来源，这是我们的战略在保证。
Accordingly, I suggested to Premier Lee that we do things that enhance mutual trust, expand common interest, and deepen mutual understanding. I received Premier Lee's full support for this roadmap.
所以我向李总理提出了建议采取增加互信、扩大共同利益以及深化相互了解。对此路线图，我得到了他的全力支持。
To build mutual trust, we have agreed to enhance transparency and strengthen strategic communications at all levels, including, as I said, on our shared neighborhood. I flagged our interest in continued and expanded cooperation on trans-border rivers, and we received reassurances from Premier Lee. We decided to encourage and institutionalize greater exchanges between the armed forces of our two countries.
为了建立互信，我们同意对于共同周边以及其他领域增加各层次的透明度和加强各层次的战略沟通。我提出了我们在跨境河流领域支持和扩大合作的请求的李总理的保证。我们决定鼓励两种之间的交流，以及把这些交流制度化。
The agreement on border defense cooperation that we have just signed will add to the existing instruments to ensure peace, stability, and predictability on our borders.
我们刚刚签署的边防合作协议会增加保持边境地区和平稳定和有建性的已有的工具。
Premier Lee was receptive to my concern about the unsustainable trade imbalance between our two countries, and we have agreed to explore avenues to bridge this gap. We are taking forward the suggestion made by Premier Lee in New Delhi for a Chinese industrial park to act as a magnet for Chinese investments in India. We are also exploring the possibility of the BCIM economic corridor connecting our two countries via the Southern Silk Road.
李总理接受了我对两国不可持续的贸易不平衡的关切，我们同意探讨减少逆差的方法。我们也推动李总理访问的李期间提出在印度建立中业产业区域园区建议。这个措施会吸引更多的中国投资。我们也正在探讨通过丝绸之路的南路线连接两国的盟中印缅经济的可行性。
We are determined to inject new dynamism into our economic relations by working with wider stakeholders. Even as Premier Lee and I were holding our discussion, the India-China CEOs Forum was meeting here under the same roof.
我们通过更多的利益相关者进行合作，来坚定的在经济关系中注入新的活力。我和李总理进行大范围讨论的时候，印度和中国的企业家论坛正在人民大会堂举行。
To foster mutual understanding, we have decided to encourage provincial and sub-regional exchanges, institutionalize the high-level media forum, continue youth exchanges for the next 5 years, and celebrate the year 2014, which is the 60th anniversary of the enunciation of the Panchsheel Principles as the year of India-China friendly exchanges. I greatly appreciate China's cooperation on the establishment of Nalanda University.
为了增加相互了解，我们决定鼓励省际和区域的交流，把高级媒体论坛未来5年继续青年交流，把2014年定为友好交流年，纪念和平共处5项原则发表60周年。我赞赏中国就那兰头大水的合作。
I conveyed to Premier Lee our commitment to visa simplification to facilitate travel of Chinese nationals to India, and I expressed the hope that China will also facilitate such exchanges.
我向李总理转达了我们致力于签证便利化的过程，以便对去印度的中国公民提供便利。我也希望中国也会提供同样的便利。
We also had candid and constructive discussion on regional and global issues of importance to India and China. This is one of the promising development in our relationship.
我们也就重要地区和全球问题进行了坦率和建设性的讨论，这是我们关系中的一个有前途的进展。
The agreements and MOUs signed today in various areas covering defense cooperation, road transport cooperation, sector cooperation, trans-border rivers, power equipment, cultural exchanges, Nalanda University and sister city linkages will build on our impressive range of cooperation.
今天签署的多领域的协议和备忘录，包括道路运输、跨境河流、电力设备、文化交流、纳兰托大学建立友好城市关系，会加强我们官方合作。
As Premier Lee has said, India and China are two ancient civilizations. We account for 2.5 billion people on this earth, and when India and China shake hands, the world notices.
跟李总理说的一样，我们印度和中国都是文明古国，有25亿人口，所以印度和中国握手的时候，全世界会听去。
I believe that my visit to China has put our relations on a path of stable and fast growth. I thank Premier Lee once again, and I look forward to my other engagements with the Chinese leadership and the public today and tomorrow. It has been a most enjoyable stay in this beautiful country, and I thank the Chinese government, Premier Lee, and the people of China for generosity. I thank you.
我相信我的这次访问会把我们双边关系走到一个稳定、快速发展的道路上。我再次向李总理表示感谢，期待着今天和明天同其他中国领导人和公的会见和互动。再次表示感谢，谢谢。